So basically it's 20 past 9 and we are on the third video already because we are still dealing with this person's noise excessively intrusively coming into the room where I am. So I can hear her on the phone, I don't have the camera to pick it up. That banging, that's what's been going on as well. And considering there's a boy kind of screaming, shouting, I'd imagine that banging is a child running around stomping and stuff. And there's the kid shouting as well, but the camera probably didn't pick it up, he's in another room above me. So the boy is basically just stomping around and the woman's just laughing. I don't know if she's on the phone in another room, but she's basically there to witness it, and yet it still continues after 2.5, almost 3 years of it. So yeah, I'll go out here, but washing machine's on, that's pretty noisy. So you should be able to hear that we have someone singing. We had a little bit of a banging noise then when the kid was stomping, kid shouting, etc, etc. Pretty much the normal stuff from living beneath the people that I live beneath. So now we've got like music and you can probably hear them singing, shouting, kid running around banging. I wouldn't really have a problem with this if this was it. Like if it was just this, it would be fine. But at this stage we're on like the third video of the morning. So we dealt with their noise up to about 1:45 in the morning yesterday. And then from about 8 o'clock the next morning we've dealt with their noise, and we're now at 22 minutes past 9, something like that. So it's probably about 25 minutes past 9 at this stage because we started the video at 22 minutes past 9. So yeah, already just an hour and a half we could say into this. We've already dealt with noise already, you know what I mean, like enough. There's like no break from it. we'll be back.